Got a question for you, and it might relate to your life. You might get it. Check this out. When you're looking at life, are you looking down and noticing that you got different things going on? It's not perfect and pristine. Or are you looking forward, realizing you got all this awesome things going on in life, and it looks a lot better than everybody else, as long as you're not looking at the minute flaws. There's a lot of good things in life. Don't look at just the flaws. Those things propel you, but if you soak your attention into them, so you can look at the flaws and go, hey, how can I make this better? But if you soak your attention directly at just the flaws in your life, you'll always be looking down. You'll always get stuck in that mode. One of the things it talked about was protecting your mental energy. And particularly, it's a marketing book, so particularly it was talking about protecting your mental energy while on social media groups. So it's easy to get caught up in debates, and then it gets heated, and then it keeps working and working and working and working up to where you're more stressed, and then you lose all that energy and you can't function right, and you just wasted time. Here's how it affects my life in general, and probably yours as well. Have you ever been in a fight with your spouse and it just went over the top, and then you just feel drained? And if you're like me and you really can get to raging, physically you're wiped out as well. So not gonna say I'm a perfect guy, man. My wife and I don't fight like we used to. That first year was rough, but it is important to keep track of those things, be conscious of it, protect yourself. That mental energy could go into progressing yourself and expanding in a positive way, as well as, like I was talking about with marriage, if you put that energy into your marriage in a positive way, instead of fighting over the little things, because a lot of the times what it ends up being is a very minute detail that really doesn't matter. And if you give it about 24 hours, think about it in a different light, just calm down, that little detail makes sense and you see it the other way. So I'm not saying it's always like that, but oftentimes. I know I'm a headstrong kind of guy, and I like to say this is the way I like to do it, but I also try to be as open-minded as possible so I can continue to grow. Let's watch some videos.